What happens when traditional cleaning schedules start working against us instead of for us? Many older adults find themselves exhausted for days after attempting to maintain the same rigorous cleaning routines they followed in their younger years. The truth? Those methods weren't designed for the realities of aging bodies and changing lifestyles. Welcome to Seniors Cleaning Hacks with Marcus, where practical solutions meet real-world needs. Before diving deeper into this game-changing approach, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thousands of seniors have already transformed their cleaning routines using these methods, and the comment section below is filled with success stories. Drop a like if you're ready to reclaim your energy while maintaining a spotless home, and don't forget to share this with friends who might be struggling with the same challenges. Understanding the fundamental shift. The transition into senior living requires acknowledging an important reality. Energy management becomes just as crucial as cleanliness itself. Traditional cleaning approaches often demand sustained physical effort that can leave older adults fatigued for extended periods. This exhaustion creates a vicious cycle where messes accumulate during recovery time, leading to guilt and stress about falling behind on household maintenance. The solution lies not in pushing harder, but in working smarter. By restructuring cleaning routines around sustainable energy expenditure, seniors can maintain comfortable, welcoming homes without sacrificing their well-being. This approach focuses on strategic task distribution, adaptive techniques, and realistic expectations that honor both cleanliness standards and physical limitations. Number 1. The foundation: essential daily maintenance. Every effective cleaning system needs a solid foundation. For seniors, this foundation consists of manageable daily tasks that prevent overwhelming buildup while requiring minimal physical strain. These activities address the most visible and hygiene-critical areas without demanding exhaustive effort. The kitchen dishes deserve immediate attention after each meal. Allowing plates, glasses, and utensils to pile up creates unnecessary stress and attracts pests. A simple rinse and load into the dishwasher or a quick hand wash for smaller households keeps this area manageable. Surface maintenance proves equally important. Wiping down kitchen tables and countertops removes food particles and prevents bacterial growth. Following up with disinfectant wipes on high-touch areas like appliance handles, cabinet pulls, and light switches creates a sanitary environment without requiring elaborate cleaning sessions. Fresh linens make an enormous difference in home comfort. Replacing dish towels, hand towels, and washcloths in kitchens and bathrooms daily prevents odor buildup and reduces germ transmission. This simple swap takes mere minutes but dramatically improves hygiene. Modern technology offers invaluable assistance through robot vacuums and mops. Starting these devices each morning means floors receive attention without any bending, pushing, or physical strain. This automated approach handles one of the most physically demanding cleaning tasks effortlessly.
Number 2. Kitchen deep cleaning reimagined. Empty nest living significantly reduces kitchen mess, but thorough weekly maintenance remains essential for food safety and comfort. The key lies in breaking down comprehensive cleaning into approachable segments spread throughout the week rather than attempting everything simultaneously. Weekly kitchen essentials include scouring the sink until it gleams, washing all appliance exteriors and cabinet fronts to remove fingerprints and splatters, thoroughly cleaning countertops and backsplashes beyond simple wiping, and mopping or vacuuming floors to eliminate crumbs and spills. The rotating task system prevents overwhelming workload. Rather than attempting every deep cleaning job weekly, selecting 1 or 2 additional tasks maintains thorough cleanliness without excessive effort. These rotating responsibilities include washing trash receptacles to eliminate odors, cleaning refrigerator and freezer interiors to prevent food waste and smell, wiping inside cabinets to remove dust and spills, cleaning oven interiors to remove baked-on residue, running dishwasher cleaning cycles to maintain appliance efficiency, washing windows for improved natural light, and wiping walls and baseboards to remove scuff marks and dust. This rotation ensures every kitchen area receives regular deep attention, while keeping any single cleaning session manageable. Over several weeks, the entire kitchen undergoes thorough cleaning without any overwhelming marathon sessions. If you're finding this approach helpful, show your support by leaving a comment below sharing which room in your house challenges you most. The Seniors Cleaning Hacks community loves hearing from viewers, and your input helps shape future content that addresses real concerns. Number 3. Bathroom sanitation without compromise. Bathrooms present unique challenges for older adults. Age brings increased susceptibility to germs and infections, making thorough bathroom cleaning non-negotiable. However, many commercial cleaners contain harsh chemicals that trigger respiratory sensitivity or skin reactions in seniors. This apparent contradiction resolves through strategic product selection and adaptive techniques. Homemade cleaning solutions using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and mild dish soap provide effective sanitization without harsh fumes. These natural alternatives cut through soap scum, eliminate bacteria, and deodorize surfaces while remaining gentle on sensitive respiratory systems. Weekly bathroom essentials mirror kitchen priorities: cleaning and disinfecting counters and sinks, scrubbing and disinfecting showers and tubs, sanitizing toilets thoroughly, including exterior surfaces and surrounding floors, and cleaning bathroom floors with appropriate disinfectant. The rotating task system again proves valuable. Additional projects undertaken 1 or 2 at a time include washing bathroom trash cans, laundering bathroom mats and rugs, polishing mirrors and glass surfaces, cleaning drains using baking soda and vinegar combinations, organizing bathroom cabinets and removing expired products, washing windows to reduce moisture spots, and wiping walls and baseboards to prevent mildew. Adaptive techniques make bathroom cleaning more accessible. Keeping a dish wand filled with soap beside the tub allows for quick scrubbing as water drains, preventing soap scum rings without dedicated cleaning sessions. Using a clean mop with an extended handle to scrub tubs and showers eliminates dangerous bending and balancing in slippery environments.
Number 4. Bedroom maintenance for better health. Bedroom cleanliness directly impacts sleep quality and overall health. Dust accumulation affects allergies, respiratory function, and even balance and hearing in older adults. Weekly bedroom attention controls allergens and dust mites while creating a peaceful sanctuary for rest. Essential weekly bedroom tasks include putting away clutter and clothing to maintain order, dusting furniture and decorative items to reduce airborne particles, changing bed linens to control dust mites and skin cell accumulation, and vacuuming or cleaning floors to capture dust before it becomes airborne. Don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks if you haven't already. Marcus shares weekly tips that make senior living easier and more enjoyable. Hit that bell icon to receive notifications whenever new strategies get posted. Rotating bedroom tasks address deeper cleaning needs: washing blankets to remove body oils and dust, laundering pillows to reduce allergens, moving nightstands and other small furniture to vacuum underneath, tidying inside drawers to prevent clutter buildup, cleaning curtains or blinds to reduce dust collection, using long-handled dusters on ceiling fans to prevent dust circulation, and wiping walls and baseboards to maintain overall freshness. Number 5. Living room presentation standards. Living rooms function as social hubs where seniors entertain guests and spend leisure time. Maintaining these spaces requires balancing cleanliness with energy conservation, ensuring homes remain welcoming without causing physical exhaustion. Weekly living room priorities include removing clutter and returning items to proper locations, dusting furniture and decorative objects thoroughly, vacuuming upholstered furniture to remove dust and allergens, and cleaning floors according to surface type.
Rotating tasks maintain deeper cleanliness, laundering throw blankets and decorative pillow covers, moving side tables and similar furniture to vacuum beneath, cleaning curtains or blinds according to manufacturer instructions, dusting lampshades to maintain proper lighting, cleaning wall art and polishing glass-fronted frames, washing windows for clarity and light, using extended-handled dusters on ceiling fans, and cleaning baseboards throughout the room. Number 6. The transformation. Putter cleaning philosophy. Marathon cleaning sessions belong to the past for older adults. The putter cleaning philosophy embraces manageable time blocks distributed throughout each day. This approach maintains cleanliness without causing fatigue or requiring extended recovery periods. The method involves focusing on one room daily beyond essential maintenance tasks, working in 10-minute increments throughout the day, and allowing flexibility to adjust based on energy levels and other commitments. A typical cleaning day might look like this. Morning begins with essential daily tasks, laundry transitions, and initial room preparation, like stripping beds. Mid-morning or early afternoon handles core cleaning tasks for the designated room, dusting, vacuuming, or surface cleaning. Late afternoon incorporates additional laundry management and light organizing. Evening completes any remaining tasks like bed making and final trash removal. This distribution prevents the physical strain of sustained cleaning while ensuring tasks get completed consistently. The secret lies in dividing work into genuinely manageable portions rather than attempting to power through exhaustion.
Number 7. Adaptive equipment and techniques. Smart tool selection dramatically reduces physical demands. Long-handled dusters eliminate reaching and climbing. Extended mop handles prevent bending during floor cleaning. Lightweight vacuum cleaners with swivel heads improve maneuverability. Ergonomic cleaning tools reduce joint strain and repetitive motion injuries. Positioning cleaning supplies strategically throughout the home eliminates repeated trips up and down stairs or across long distances. Keeping bathroom cleaners in each bathroom, dusting supplies in bedrooms, and kitchen products in the kitchen reduces physical demands while improving efficiency. Take a moment right now to like this video if you're learning valuable techniques. Your engagement helps YouTube share this content with other seniors who desperately need these solutions. Every like genuinely makes a difference in reaching more people who could benefit. Number 8. Managing expectations and self-compassion. Perhaps the most crucial element of senior-friendly cleaning involves releasing perfectionist standards. Spotless homes aren't necessary for comfort, health, or social acceptability. Clean enough homes that allow energy for activities bringing joy and fulfillment far surpass exhaustingly pristine environments that leave residents depleted. This mindset shift requires conscious effort. Decades of conditioning around cleanliness standards don't disappear overnight. However, recognizing that circumstances have changed, fewer occupants creating messes, different physical capabilities, altered priorities, enables more realistic and sustainable approaches. Guests appreciate welcoming, comfortable environments far more than sterile perfection. Friends visiting care about companionship and connection, not whether baseboards gleam. Releasing unnecessary pressure around cleanliness creates mental space for relationships and activities that truly matter.
Number 9. Customization for individual needs. No single cleaning schedule suits every senior household. Living situations, physical abilities, health conditions, and personal preferences require customized approaches. Using these frameworks as starting points, seniors should adjust based on individual circumstances. Those managing chronic pain might need even shorter cleaning intervals with more frequent breaks. Individuals with excellent mobility might combine certain tasks. Apartment dwellers face different challenges than house residents. Pet owners require additional attention to hair and dander. Each situation demands personalized adaptation. The comments section below offers a perfect place to share your specific situation and ask questions. Marcus and the Seniors Cleaning Hacks community regularly respond with personalized suggestions. Don't hesitate to reach out. Everyone here understands the challenges of maintaining homes while managing aging bodies. Number 10. Building sustainable habits. Consistency outweighs intensity for long-term success. Daily adherence to basic maintenance prevents overwhelming buildup requiring exhausting correction. Weekly attention to designated rooms maintains comfortable cleanliness without creating stress. Rotating deep tasks ensures comprehensive coverage without burnout. Building these habits requires initial effort and commitment. Setting phone reminders for daily tasks helps establish routines. Using printed checklists provides structure and accomplishment satisfaction. Tracking progress reveals patterns and areas needing adjustment. Maintaining clean, comfortable homes during senior years absolutely remains achievable without sacrificing health, energy, or enjoyment. The solution requires abandoning outdated approaches designed for different life stages and different physical capabilities. By embracing realistic task distribution, adaptive techniques, appropriate tools, and self-compassion, older adults create welcoming environments while preserving energy for truly meaningful activities. This approach honors both cleanliness and well-being, recognizing these goals need not conflict. Sustainable routines prevent the exhaustion, mess, guilt cycle that traps many seniors attempting to maintain previous standards. Instead, manageable daily efforts compound into consistently clean homes without requiring heroic exertion. Before closing, remember to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for weekly content making senior living more manageable. Share this video with friends, family members, or anyone you know who might benefit from these strategies. Leave a comment describing your biggest cleaning challenge. Marcus loves hearing from the community and often creates content addressing viewer concerns. The transformation from exhausting cleaning routines to sustainable maintenance starts with a single step. Choose one strategy from this comprehensive guide and implement it this week. Notice the difference in energy levels and home comfort. Gradually incorporate additional elements as they feel manageable. Over time, these small changes create dramatic improvements in both cleanliness and quality of life. Clean homes shouldn't require sacrificing everything else that makes life worth living. With proper strategies, seniors maintain welcoming spaces while preserving energy for relationships, hobbies, and activities bringing genuine fulfillment. That balance represents true success in senior home maintenance.